What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda Civic Smart Key Remote Fob. This key fob is going to be for the Honda Civics that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see these two black plastic pieces right here that look like the letter E. What I'm going to do is take my emergency key and I'm going to push it in between those two pieces, like that. And then once I have the emergency key in there, I'll pry the two halves apart like that. Now I had this tipped up so you could see it a little better, but while you do this, you want to try to keep your key fob with the buttons facing down to help keep the buttons in place. And once you get the two halves split apart, you can pull the back half off and we can see our battery right here. Now you may be able to get this battery out with the key or even your finger, but I like to just grab a flathead screwdriver or something similar. Makes it a little easier. So we'll get our old battery out and then we'll grab the new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing the new battery with the plus side up. And we'll kind of tuck that edge in first and then snap it down into place. And if your buttons have moved around at all, make sure you slide them back in the place to where they need to be. And then we can snap the two halves of the shell back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.